Every garden has problem areas: spots with poor soil, too much shade, too much sun, or constant moisture. Many plants fail in these conditions. In this video, you'll discover plants that thrive in difficult garden areas, grow reliably, and require very little maintenance. Ajuga performs well in shaded areas with poor soil. It spreads steadily and fills space effectively. This plant adds color and texture while staying low maintenance. It is ideal for areas under trees. Sedum thrives in dry soil and full sun. It tolerates heat and drought extremely well. This plant requires minimal watering once established. It is perfect for rocky or sandy areas. Lamium grows well in partial shade and difficult corners. Its silver-patterned leaves brighten dark spaces. This plant spreads evenly without aggressive growth. It is easy to manage long-term. Sweet woodruff thrives in cool, shaded areas. It prefers moist soil and forms a soft green carpet. This plant works well where grass struggles. It requires very little care once established. Creeping thyme performs best in full sun and well-drained soil. It tolerates foot traffic and dry conditions. This plant stays low and spreads evenly. It is ideal for walkways and open areas. Pachysandra thrives in deep shade. It creates dense coverage under trees. This plant stays neat and controlled. It is a reliable long-term solution. Creeping jenny grows well in moist soil and low areas. It spreads quickly and fills difficult spots. This plant is ideal near ponds and drainage zones. Its bright foliage adds contrast. Mondo grass handles shade and poor soil effectively. It grows slowly and requires minimal trimming. This plant creates a clean and uniform look. It works well in narrow or awkward spaces. Choosing the right plant solves many garden problems. Tough plants reduce maintenance and improve appearance. For ground covers that fill empty spaces, watch the video linked on screen.